Now that I have reinstalled one of my computers with Windows 10, and as usual, I would like to access the desktop, but I found it not possible anymore. And now I opened the Explorer, and I found that actually the location was now pointed to the OneDrive Desktop. And that's not what I want, because normally I would like to have the desktop at my user profile. And the way very simple to resolve this problem is to correct the location. That's it. And then I would use the CMD as usual, and I can now access to the Orthodox desktop at the user profile. And I would further prove it that it works. I would use a notepad to create a simple text file and see whether I can save to the desktop and then extract it using the orthodox method of CMD. Now, this process, okay, now I've written a text file and then open this. Yeah, now in this location, and I can open that text file just by the command line. Okay, thank you for watching.